All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about when to use Tesla Autopilot. First, Autopilot is perfect for long highway drives. If you're on a straight, well-marked road with minimal traffic, Autopilot can take over steering, acceleration, and braking to reduce your driving load and keep you comfortable on those extended trips. Next, it's great for commuting. When traffic is light or when you're cruising along at steady speeds, Autopilot can handle much of the work, letting you focus on other things. Just make sure you stay alert. It's also ideal for stop-and-go traffic. With traffic-aware cruise control, Autopilot can maintain a safe distance between you and the car in front, automatically adjusting speed when necessary to make your ride smoother and less stressful. However, always stay alert and keep your hands on the wheel. While Autopilot can assist with a lot, it's not fully autonomous yet. You should be ready to take over at any moment. So use Autopilot on highways, during commutes, and in traffic, but always stay engaged to ensure safety. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.